Let's just be real for a second. So many of us have that dream, right? Getting into hacking, learning cybersecurity, but then we hit that first wall. No laptop. Can't install Kali Linux. Or maybe your computer is just, painfully slow. It's the one thing that stops a ton of people before they even get started.
So let's just dive right into that. Because this one single hurdle, it's way more common than you'd think. It's the reason a lot of folks feel like a career in this field is just totally out of reach. But what if I told you there's a way around it?
Does this hit close to home? You've got the spark, you've got the curiosity, but you're just stuck because you don't have the right gear. Well, you are definitely not alone.
And get this, we're talking about a huge number of people. Up to 90% of students who want to break into this world are in the exact same boat. They've only got a smartphone. But here's the secret. That's all you're going to need.
That's right, the solution is literally in your pocket right now. We're about to turn that thing you scroll social media on into a legit, powerful tool for coding, for running scripts, and yeah, for practicing ethical hacking. And the magic key to all of this is an amazing little app called Termux. So what is it? Put simply, Termux creates a full-blown Linux terminal environment right there on your Android phone. All those cool commands you see in the movies, you're about to run them yourself.
And this is the line you need to remember. This isn't some watered-down simulation or a toy. Your phone literally becomes a portable mini Linux machine. It gives you the power to install and run real hacking tools wherever you are.
Okay, I know what you're thinking. Before we get our hands dirty, you've probably got some questions. Every beginner does. So let's just run through the biggest ones right now and get them out of the way.
The number one question, is this real hacking? Oh yeah, absolutely 100% yes. You can do serious information gathering, you can scan websites for vulnerabilities, run phishing simulations, write automation scripts. It is the perfect platform to learn the ropes.
Okay, next big question. Do you have to root your phone for this to work? The answer is a big, fat no. Seriously, the huge majority of tools for things like phishing, scripting, web testing, they all work perfectly fine on a standard, non-rooted phone. Sure, some super advanced stuff like Wi-Fi attacks might need root access, but for everything we're doing today, you are good to go.
Now hold on. Before we type a single command, we have to talk about something that is incredibly important. This is the non-negotiable part.
Listen, everything we're doing here is for education. It's for learning about cybersecurity, for understanding how attacks work so you can defend against them. You cannot misuse these skills. Always, always use what you learn ethically and within the law.
All right, with that vital disclaimer out of the way, it's time for the fun part. Let's get our hands dirty and start typing your very first commands. First things first, the setup. And this is crucial. Do not get Termux from the Google Play Store. I repeat, do not. That version is ancient. You need to get it from F-Droid or GitHub. Once it's installed, open it up and run two simple commands. First, apt update. That grabs the latest list of all the software you can install. Then run apt upgrade to actually install all those new updates.
Okay, your environment is all set up and ready to go. Let's find our bearings. Go ahead and type pwd and hit enter.
So, what did that just do? PWD stands for Present Working Directory. It's basically like asking your phone, hey, where am I right now? And it tells you exactly which folder or directory you're currently in.
Cool, now we know where we are, but what's in here with us? Let's find out. Type ls and press enter.
ls is just short for list. It shows you all the files and any other folders that are inside your current location. Think of it like opening a filing cabinet drawer to see what's inside. Simple as that. Now these next three commands are your bread and butter for moving around. mkd lets you make a new folder. cd lets you change directory, to go into that folder. And cd ... with two dots, that takes you back out, up one level. It's just like creating, opening, and going back out of folders on your laptop.
But pretty soon, you're going to hit this classic roadblock. Trust me, everybody does. You'll try to remove a folder you made with rmdr, but you get this annoying error, directory not empty. It stumps everyone at first. So what's the trick?
The answer is a much more powerful command. It's rm-r followed by the folder's name. This one is a total game changer.
So why does this one work? That little R is a flag that means recursive. It basically tells the command, hey, don't just delete the folder itself. First go inside it and delete everything in there, and then delete the folder. It's super powerful, so definitely use it with care. And just like that, you've done it. You've taken your very first steps. You've gone from someone who just uses a phone to someone who can actually command it. Let's just quickly recap your new toolkit. You can update your entire system, you can figure out where you are, you can see what's around you, create new spaces, navigate between them, and clean up after yourself. These are the absolute fundamentals for anyone using a terminal. You have successfully turned that device in your pocket into a portable hacking lab. The foundation is set. Your journey is really just beginning. So stay curious, stay ethical, and ask yourself, now that you have this power, what are you going to do with it?